This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make email.com. We are going to begin by choosing an email service provider, which is your first crucial step. Consider options like Gmail or Outlook for their robust features and security. Once you select a provider, you will need to create a unique username. This will be your identity online, so choose it carefully. Next, prepare to set up a strong, unique password to protect your new account. Choosing the right email provider is essential for long-term satisfaction. Look for reliable uptime, ample storage space, and good customer support. Then, focus on your username. Ideally, it should be simple, memorable, and professional. Avoid numbers or obscure symbols if this is for formal use. Test a few variations of your preferred username to ensure it is available before moving forward. Your password is your primary line of defense against unauthorized access. Aim for a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Create a phrase that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. For enhanced security, enable two-factor authentication. This provides a second verification step. Consider using a password manager, which can securely store many complex passwords for you. Now that your email is set up, personalize it to fit your needs. Add a clear, professional profile picture so others can easily recognize you. Create an email signature with your name and contact information for professional correspondence. Use folders and labels to categorize incoming messages, keeping your inbox tidy and easy to navigate. Adjust your notification settings to receive alerts only when truly necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.